Students of KPT Government High School are preparing for their final exams. They are going through many emotions. Today, with them, we will learn about managing stress. Zoya is preparing for her exams. She is never able to finish her paper on time. Because of this, she loses a lot of marks. She is worried about making the same mistake this time. These exams are very important. She thinks to herself,
what if I can't even finish the first question? What if I fail my exam because of this? What if I fail all my exams?
in this lesson, we will learn that stress is a natural emotion. We should try to understand the reason behind our stress. We can learn how to handle stress positively. Stress is our reaction to situations we are scared of. When we feel stressed, we can handle it in two ways. One way is to accept and manage the situation. The second way is to run away from it. Zoya handles it in the second way. Instead of studying, she sleeps for 3 hours. She is trying to run away from the situation. This kind of stress is negative. It holds us back. Zoya goes to her brother, Anwar. He says, Zoya, last year I was also stressed about finishing my papers. Then I decided to do something about it. I set a time limit for each question. Then I tried my best to finish each answer on time. In the end, I could finish the whole paper on time. Anwar was also stressed, but he decided to face the situation and fight it. This kind of stress is positive. It motivates us to prepare and perform better. Why was Anwar's stress positive? Because it helped him manage his time better. Because he could share it with his sister. Positive stress makes you take positive action. Anwar tells Zoya, I understand how you feel about exams. I feel the same way about traveling alone. I feel stressed that I will get lost. Just like Zoya and Anwar, we all feel stressed about different things. Each of us should know what makes us feel stressed. What are some things that make you stressed? How do they make you feel? Click here to see some answers. When you are stressed, how do you feel? Here are some answers. I feel like I am locked in a box without any air.
I feel like I'm carrying a bag full of heavy stones.
Click on the things you feel when you are stressed. This activity is for you to understand yourself. There are no right or wrong answers. Here are a few situations. How stressed would you feel in these situations? Rate between very low to very high. There is a company you really want to work at. You have been called for the interview. The interview is in 2 days. Stress busting tip 1. If you prepare properly, you will feel less stressed. You can also practice your interview with someone. You thought you will definitely get the job you applied for, but you are in the waiting list. Stress busting tip 2. Be positive when something goes wrong. Do something that makes you happy. Listen to music, meet a friend, or eat an ice cream. You fractured your right arm. You cannot practice cricket for 15 days. But you have a cricket match in 20 days. Stress busting tip 3. Accept things that you cannot change. Tell yourself, this is not in my control. Do you think you and your friends will have the same ratings? You and your friends will feel different levels of stress for different things. If you know what makes you stressed, then you can ask for help. Zoya knew that she is bad at finishing her paper in time. That is why she could tell her brother about it and ask for help. Stress can impact our body and mind both. It also affects our work and personal life. Just like happiness, excitement, anger, and sadness, stress is also just another emotion that we feel. Everyone handles stress in a different way. Zoya asks her family members about their way of handling stress. Ammi says,
I always do some physical exercise to relax myself.
Abba says, I go and spend time with my friends. Anwar says, I try to manage my time better. That way, I don't have to keep running to finish my work. Your turn. Talk to your friends and family. Find out 3 ways of handling stress.